Welcome. It gives immense pleasure and gratitude to introduce Shanta World Engineering Company in the world of engineering technology. Established in 2015, the main promoter, Mr.Mukul Joshi, with vast experience in engineering for more than 30 years and who is expertise in design, operations, manufacturing and automation. Shanta World Engineering's prime focus are material handling systems, conveyors, automation, gantry system, turnkey projects, engineering consultancy in new product design, process design, mechanical design, and so on. The core areas of Shanta World Engineering are design, manufacturing, installation, and commissioning. Just have a look to some of Shanta World Engineering credentials. Gantry and rotator system for automated ultrasonic testing of shells. This is a system made for ultrasonic testing of big shells weighing up to 40 metric tons. This system consists of rotator of two types, one for testing of main shell and other for test rig, which is used for UT probe calibration. For probe movement, there is a gantry. X-axis total movement is 7500 mm. Y-axis movement is 1500 mm and Z-axis movement is 1400 mm. X and Y-axis are servo controlled and Z-axis is manually adjusted. Shanta World Engineering made this for reputed UT testing system manufacturer in the world. This was the supply to one of the biggest and elite customer in Gujarat, India. This is a mesh cooling conveyor for cooling of sintered metal component after exit of furnace temperature up to 150 degrees Celsius. Speed of conveyor is 0.2 mpm with smooth operation which avoid components to slip on belt. The mesh belt is made from SS304 to sustain the temperature. This project is made for National Aeronautic Limited and supplied in Bangalore. Shanta World Engineering have made this project for renowned UT testing system manufacturers in the world. This is typical SS tank of size 7500 is to 1200 is to 1250 mm with 12 metric ton capacity used for water deep ultrasonic testing of aircraft parts. Total tank moves on the rails with SEW drive and VFD. The positional accuracy is achieved by absolute type encoder. It is a program through Siemens PLC for performing designated sequence. This is another typical sealer application supplied to reputed automobile manufacturer in Gujarat, India. The project is about the sealant is dispensed on component which is kept on rotating table by pneumatic gun. Afterward, component is kept on trolley, which moves with the help of conveyor to curing carousel, which is 6700 mm diameter indexing table. This is the inspection fixture for valve body. The weight of the component is 500 kg. The component can rotate in vertical as well as horizontal axis, so the complete component surface can be inspected. Aluminum sheet handling by gantry and conveyor with automation of complete line. Line consists of gantries, pick and place systems, power roller conveyor, shearing machine and straightening machine. It is almost 20-meter long line. Shanta World Engineering supplied to Tier 1 supplier for LG, Whirlpool for making of roll bound evaporator. World Engineering have also supplied following equipments such as pop-up lifter with pin belt conveyor, various assembly conveyors to reputed refrigerator manufacturers. Also supplied assembly line and turnkey projects for assembly of e-rickshaws, electric scooter and bike assembly. Shanta World Engineering is optimistic to work with a reputed company like yours in future. Thank you.